So to make this a component, all we have to do is select the frame and then over here choose Create Component. And then if we want to add other component variants, if we grab multiple, we can go Create Component Set. And now these are part of a component set. And actually what we can do is move this one into the set. And then we can label up these component variants. So we can go call the property stage and then basic 1 and 2. And so if you haven't seen this before, what this allows us to do is when we have an instance of our main component, and we can see it's an instance here because the diamond isn't filled in. For an instance, we can very quickly change what variant is being used over here in our component properties. So I've added a few more components to the file, and what I'm going to show you is how to link these component variants up to variables in Figma. So if we open up our local variables panel and create our first variable string, and what we're going to do is add a few modes. So one called basic, one called 1, and one called 2. And you'll see that these are matching up to my variant names. And all we have to do is fill out the string values to match what our variant names were. Now, if we go into one of those instances that we pulled out, over here, this little icon is where the magic happens. Now this icon won't appear until you hover over, but know that it is there if you have variables in your file. And what this means is you can apply a variable to that variant. So we can apply the variable evolution to those variants. And then what we can do is very quickly create a section with all of those component instances and change what variable mode is being applied to that section. This even lets us do things like move the instances between sections with variable modes already applied. And as we do that, we can see how these component instances update automatically. So hopefully you can see how this would be so useful for so many different things. Color themes, accessibility modes, different languages, different spacing layouts. Give it a go and let me know if you've got any questions.